Okay, welcome to week 4 of English 12. This week we're going to be reading Act 3 of The Merchant of Venice, and your quiz at the end of the week will be on Acts 2 and 3 since we didn't quiz you on Act 2 last week. So make sure you are well versed in both of those acts. The main difference this week is that this is the week that we are starting with some groups in this class. So it shouldn't really affect you. Basically, there are some assignments that will say general assignment and some assignments that will say tier 1. Whatever you see on your screen in your view of the class is the group that you're in. So if you see, for example, for assignment 4.1, if you see general assignment, then that means you're in the general group. If you see tier 1 assignment, that means you're in the tier 1 group. And there's everyone's going to be reading the same things and looking at the same resources. There are a few assignments that are a little bit different. So if you have any questions about this, let me know. But basically, you're just going to continue to go through each and every resource that you see in the week, each week, and you'll do all the assignments, including the assignments for your group. So if you're in the general group, you won't do the tier 1 assignments. If you're in the tier 1 group, you won't do the general assignments, but you shouldn't even see them because they're hidden for everyone but the ones that are in that group. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. This week, we'll take a check your understanding quiz at the beginning. And remember, these quizzes are not graded. So you do your best on the quiz and then click submit. And it will tell you that you didn't get any of them right because you would have to have the exact wording to actually get it right. But they're not graded. A possible correct answer will pop up, and you can compare what you answered to that possible answer just to make sure that you're on the right track and that you're understanding the material. We will have some readings and an assignment based on the readings. There's an oral quiz for the general group, and at the end of the week, after watching all the videos and answering the questionnaires, there is a quiz on the Merchant of Venice Acts 2 through 3. If you have any questions about this, let me know.